All right, Victoria, can you tell me how old you are?
I'm 11 years old and I'm in 5th grade.
All right, so we're going to do an experiment. Can you take a look at the two glasses in front of you and tell me, with the colored water, and tell me if there are the same amount of water in both glasses?
I'm going to say there are. There's the same amount.
All right, so I'm going to take one and pour it into the empty glass. And now can you take a look and tell me if both have the same amount of water or if one has more?
They both have the same amount of water. It's just that this cup is skinnier, so the water has less room, so it'll go up. And this one is wider, and so it'll have more room for the water, so it'll go shorter.
Good, thank you. Okay, so I'm going to read two sentences to you and then I'll ask you a question. Ready?
Okay.
If you hit a piece of glass with a hammer, it will break. Dave hit the glass with a hammer. What happened to the glass?
It broke.
All right. If you hit a piece of glass with a feather, it will break. Dave hit the glass with the feather. What happened to the glass?
Nothing happened because a feather is soft, is not able to break a glass.
All right. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to read you a short story.
All right.
And then I'll ask you a question.
Okay.
It's called The Fox and the Grapes.
All right.
One afternoon, a fox was walking through the forest and spotted a bunch of grapes hanging from over a lofty branch. Just the thing to quench my thirst, he decided. Taking a few steps back, the fox jumped and just missed the hanging grapes. Again, the fox took a few paces back and tried to reach them, but still failed. Finally, giving up, the fox turned up his nose and said, "They're probably sour anyway," and he proceeded to walk away. So what do you think the story is about?
I think the story is about a fox who came across some grapes and he was trying to get them, but he gave up.
Okay. Do you think there's anything else in the story, or is that it?
I guess there's kind of a lesson that, like, you should never give up, even though, you know, that the fox did. That's
Okay.
not a reason you should.
Okay. Thank you.